Hello guys, I hope you're doing alright, and here we are in a new video about intersection and union. Okay, so we're talking about operations with sets. I hope you already watched the first video uploaded. Here we have an extra example, okay, but with the same topic. Okay, let's check. First of all, they ask us build a Venn diagram for the following sets and find A union B and A intersected with B. So remember, first of all, we are going to draw the Venn diagram, so we can write a box, big rectangle for universal set, and then we draw the set A and the set B. Okay, we already have this, so you can write it in your notebooks. And we have, given the sets, the problem says that we have the set A, 1, 5, 7, and 9, and we have the set B, 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, and 10. And they already gave us the universal set, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. So this is an information from the problem. If they don't give this information, we can build our own universal set. If we don't have this, we write U equals, and we include all these elements, 1, 5, 7, 9, all of these, 1, 10, all of that. This is in roster notation. This universal set is in roster notation because we have every element in the set. But we can also write the universal set like this. In set builder notation, we have x such that x is between 1 and 11. And it includes the element 1 and 11 because we have the equal sign below the less than sign. Okay, we have between 1 and 11, which is the same as this because we write the natural numbers that are between 1 and 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 11. Okay, this is actually the same thing. Okay, so you don't get confused with this notation. We already learned last week about roster notation and set builder notation. If you want to review that, you can check the last videos. Okay, let's start. We already have the Venn diagram, we already have the sets drawn, and let's start locating the sets. So remember, first of all, we write the intersection. Which elements are in common for A and B? So let's check. We have the element 1 is included in both sets, so we write it here in the intersection zone. We have 1. Okay. Number 2 is only in B, is not intersected. And the element 5 is in A and also in B, so we write a 5 here. Okay, you can write a 5. And what else? We have 7 is only in A and 9 is in both sets, so we can write number 9 here. All right, 9 is in both sets. 10 is only in B, so it's not the intersection. Okay, so now let's continue with the elements on A that are not in the intersection zone. We already have 1, 5, and 9. What is missing? What elements are missing in the set A, in the part of A? So we already have 1, we already have 5, and we already have 9. So the element missing here will be only 7. Okay, we only have this element that is not in the intersection zone. And now let's continue with the set B. In the set B we have 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, and 10. Let's check first the elements that are in the intersection zone, and here we have 1, 5, and 9. So the elements missing are 2, we have 2, 1 is already here, 5 is already in the intersection zone, we have 6, 9 is already in the intersection zone, and 10 is not there, so we write a 10 here. Okay, so that's it. We already have these elements here. Now we can check the universal set, and we're going to check the elements that are not included in these sets, which are outside in the universal set. All this region is the universal set. Remember that. Okay, so let's start checking every element. We already have 1 here in the intersection, so we cross this. We already have 5. We already have 9. We already have 7. Okay, we already have 6, 2, 6. We already have 10. And the elements missing in the universal set, which are 3, 4, and 11. We can write it in this zone, in the universal set zone, outside from the sets A and B. So we can write here, for example, 3. Here in this zone, we can write, for example, 4. We can write it anywhere in the box. Okay, remember that. And we are going to write the element 11. Okay, and that's it, guys. Look, this is really easy. And now finally we are going to write the union defined and the intersection. Let's start writing the union. Okay, so A union B will be the following. So here, curly brackets, and let's start stating the elements that are only in the set zone, okay, inside the sets. So we can start in order by 1. We have 2. We have 3 is not here. 4, 5. Okay. We have 6. We have 7 here. We have 10, 9, I'm sorry. And we write 10. So is something missing? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Okay, so that's the union. And let's continue with the intersection, okay? The same procedure. So we write A intersected with B, and we write curly brackets. So what numbers do we have in the intersection zone? We have 1, we have 5, and we have 9. All right, that's it. This is in the intersection zone. And that's it, guys. We already have the union, we already have the intersection, and we already have the Venn diagram. Okay, this is the Venn diagram. Okay, and the problem is over. We already have that. Remember, don't get confused with this notation, with the universal set as roster notation with the elements, and in set builder. Remember, in set builder we only have the description of the elements. Okay, so it states here numbers from 1. It included 1 because we have here the equal sign below the less than sign. Okay, less or equal than 11, between 1 and 11, including 1 and 11. All right, and they are natural numbers. Remember, natural numbers from 1 to 11. That's it, guys. Remember the procedure. First, draw the universal set, then draw the sets inside, intersected. Then let's start writing the elements in every set in the intersection zone, inside the elements A and the elements B that are not in the intersection zone. And finally, we check the elements that are in the universal set but are not included in the inside the sets. Okay, so here we have 3, 4, and 11. And finally, once we have all of these, we can find A union B and A intersected with B. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope you understood the topic. That if you have any questions, please write your questions in your notebooks, and then when we have the advisory time, you can ask whatever you want. All right, so see you later. Have a great day. Bye bye.